Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. Some sweet sounds like Luke Combs, days like these. This is the studio video. I don't know if there are other versions of this song as well. This is the one I saw and fell for, so I thought we have to have it on Gordon Guitar. Now, let's go into this tutorial, and it will be pretty simple. We have one verse play, one chorus play I'm gonna show you, and that's it. So the setup, no need for any capo here. We have 4 easy chords. Let's start with those. We have G6 first. So that means we're just using the bass of this G, standard G chord. So it goes 3rd E, 2nd A, and all strings down below there are open because we're gonna use and work with some notes there. So 3rd E, 2nd A, and open strings down there. That's the G6 chord. Next chord is the D. So that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We also got the C. That will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have the E minor. That goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so I have that's the verse play to start with, and it has this certain way of playing. It goes like this on the G. So it's basically 3 downs or 3 actions here. Bass string first from the G chord, and then comes, you can pick it or make downstrokes. So what you do there is to play on the open strings, and what the magic happens on the B string. Okay, so the first down out of these 2 lasts, it will be on the 1st B string, and then open B string. So 1 down on bass, and then 1st B, and open B. And I use the strings above them as well, so the G and D string as a supportive string to give a little bit more depth to the sound. So you do it for 2 times. Then you go over to the D chord. You play the same kind of pattern here. 1 down on the bass strings, like the D string, pretty much. That's the 1st bass, and then magic happens on the G string. You're playing on the open first, and then on the 2nd. You can also incorporate the string above and below, so D and B string could be there as well. You do it for 1 time only on this D chord, and then you go back to G and play 1 time again. And that's 1 round, okay? So G, 2 rounds, like 2 string rounds. 1 on the D chord, and then 1 on the G again. So it goes G2, D1, G1. And that is the verse play, so like this. Notice I'm playing more than just these 3 actions on every chord, because it's a huge pause and you can fill out with some extras if you want to, but this is the thing that makes it, okay? So have that in mind. That is the verse play. Then at 43 seconds in comes the chorus play. When the sky, that's where on the lyrics, you're gonna play C. The same now kind of action is 3 down, so bass, down, down. So like 3 actions per chord. So it will be like this, C. Then G6 again, and then you can use the same technique as in the verse play with the certain notes. And then comes the D, 1 round, with the same technique again, certain notes from this verse play. And then back to G, 1 round. That is the start of the chorus play. You're going to play this for 2 rounds. So C1, C1, G1, D1, G1. Play that chord progression for 2 rounds. And then The third and final thing round here comes about 1 minute and 12 seconds in, still in the chorus play, even if the trees, yeah, whatever, it grew on trees. That's where on the lyrics. So you're gonna play now E minor, then D, and then C. With a pause there, and then you play D, C, and G. And that's how the chorus ends. All right. So to wrap up this chorus play and summarize that one, we had 2 rounds of C, 1 string round, G, 1 string round, D, 1 string round, and G, 1 string round. Play 2 rounds of that, and then you're gonna play E minor, D, C, and G. That's the chorus play, and that's what's going on here. And Luke comes days like these. Hope that helped, guys. Yes, so pretty simple song for famous chords, and that's it. So enjoy, have fun with this song, and be back for next time. Till then, play tuned.